In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user journey map in FigJam. A user journey map helps you visualize what a person does, thinks, and feels as they move through an experience so you can spot gaps and improvements. We'll set this up using FigJam, Figma's collaborative whiteboard. Start by going to figma.com and logging into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the homepage. From here, choose FigJam to open a new whiteboard. If you've been working in a FigJam file recently and want to continue there, go ahead and open that recent file instead. Inside your FigJam board, open the Templates panel. This is the quickest way to jumpstart a structured diagram without building everything from scratch. In the template search bar, type User Journey Map. You'll see a few variations appear. Pick the one that matches the level of detail you need, then click Add Template. FigJam will place the template on your canvas so you can start customizing right away. Now it's time to edit it. Begin with the Overview section, usually at the top. Replace any placeholder text with your persona's details, such as who they are and what they're trying to achieve. Keep this concise so it guides your mapping without crowding the board. Next, review the stages across the top. Common phases might include awareness, consideration, onboarding, and use. Rename these to match your specific experience. You can add or remove columns by duplicating or deleting them to fit your flow. Within each stage, fill in the actions a user takes, the thoughts they might have, and the emotions they're feeling. If the template includes an emotion line, adjust the curve to show highs and lows. Use sticky notes for quick ideas and color code them to distinguish actions, pain points, and opportunities. Consistent colors make scanning the map much easier later. Make room for channels or touch points if they're included, like website, email, or in-app messages, and note where each interaction happens. When you identify friction or confusion, write clear pain points. Right alongside those, capture opportunities, practical ways to improve the experience. Keep language specific and measurable so it's actionable. As you edit, zoom out periodically to check balance and flow, and zoom in to refine text and alignment. Resize frames and rows as needed, and use connectors to show relationships between items. Group related notes to keep the canvas tidy. If your team has feedback, drop comments directly on the relevant area to keep context clear. When everything reflects your current understanding, you've got a usable user journey map in FigJam, structured, collaborative, and ready to guide improvements.